Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a cute little junk journal I have here that I made. It's a 4x6 notebook, and then I just have a couple of pages that I did. So it's like a cute little clear pocket. And while I was making this, I decided, let me make a couple of kits out of this. It's really fun to make. So it's kind of like a little beginner's junk journal. And then this is a cute little charm that I made that you can clip on here. And then it just dangles like, oh, here, should I have it backwards? It just clips on here. And then it says the word journal. So I decided to make a kit out of this. So I will have like 7 of these available if you're interested. They will all vary as far as, the design, but you are getting pretty much the same thing in each kit. So let me show you. I include one of these little glue sticks. This is a really nice glue stick. It's called Oohoo Stick. So you'll get that. And then I'll show you what's in the kit. So if you like junk journaling or just journaling, it's a really fun little starter kit. So included will be a washi tape, and again, they will vary. I added a large clear pocket and then 2 smaller pockets, and then this is a smaller pocket right here. It fits perfectly in the notebook. So you get that. You get 3 doilies. You'll get 12 different chipboard pieces. And you get the 4x6 notebook. There's 28 sheets, 56 pages total. This is what makes the charm. So you get this little photo charm. You get the clip, and then you get the word journal, and then all these different beads. You get a yard of this twine. And so this is a couple of different ways I created with that. So I just put the string in there, made like a cute little beaded charm, and I included, one of the chipboard pieces. You could do that, or you can make it into a bookmark by using one of the chipboards, and I included the little photo charm, and then I added the beads. So it can kind of be like a bookmark. Be cute. And then you just, dangle it from the book. It's cute. Or you can make it into a little wrap around the journal book. So I just added the word journal on there, and then you can let me take these out. You can wrap it around. So you got like 3 different options of how you want to use that. And then you clip this to the back of the book, and then it just wraps around. Really cute. So a couple of different ideas. You'll get some of the sequins, and then you'll get these cute little pom-pom. I added it, you can see, to one of my pages. Let's see here. This is the ephemera. So you'll get this cute little, you'll get a different card, but you'll get a cute little heart clip, and that's where I included it right here. And then in this bag comes with 12 different ephemera pieces. You'll get 12 other ephemera pieces, like little bigger pieces like here. And then you'll get 12 journal cards. So you could journal on it. Okay, that's what's going to be inside the bag. And then I also included a sticker. You get 2 different stickers. You get a smaller one and then a larger one. I'll also include like some type of bling. And then you get 12 6x8 sheets. And those, again, each kit, the papers will vary. So it's just a little starter junk journaling kit. I thought it'd be a cute idea because I enjoyed making this. All right, and I'll put the information down below. It'll be PayPal, friends and family, only U.S. shipping. And if you're interested, leave a comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.